dear students. How are you? Are you missing the school? Children, you won't believe we are missing you a lot. So, today, let's assume one thing. We will imagine as if we are sitting in the school. Let's imagine one situation. Suppose the schools have been opened and how will you go to the school? Look at these students. Can you see them going to the school? Yes, the students are going to school. And how are they going? They are going eagerly. They are very excited. They are going eagerly to the school. Oh my God, can you guess who's this? Yes, this is Jerry and Jerry is laughing. Children, how is Jerry laughing? Yes, Jerry is laughing heartily. With heart, Jerry is laughing heartily. Oh, this girl is dancing and look at the way she is dancing. A girl is dancing gracefully. How she is dancing? Gracefully. Uh-oh, this is our dear sun and look at the smile on its face. Why it's smiling? Because it's shining. The sun is shining and how it's shining? It's shining brightly, dear children. The sun is shining brightly. This is poor old man and he's so weak. He couldn't walk properly. So an old man is walking slowly. He can't walk. That's why he is walking so slowly. Children, have you noticed one thing? Each sentence answered you how the action is done. How every action is done. For example, how were the children going to school? They were going eagerly. How was Jerry laughing? Heartily. How was the girl dancing? Gracefully. How was the sun shining? Brightly. And how was an old man walking? Slowly. So, each sentence answered to the question how. And the words that answer to the question how, they are known as adverbs. And today we are going to learn about adverbs. I think this is a new concept for you. So let me tell you, adverbs are made up of two words, at plus verbs. When we add something to the verbs, they become adverbs. That means when we give more information about verbs, then we call them adverbs. Let's learn them in detail. Children, I have already told you an adverb is a word that modifies a verb. Modifies a verb means it tells us how the action is done. So you can say an adverb tells us more about a verb. Got it? No? Okay, let's move ahead and then you will get a clearer idea. Look at this boy. How is the boy running? Fast. So fast is your adverb, beta. Oh, poor little boy. How is this child crying? Bitterly. So bitterly is your adverb because it's telling you about how action is done. How is the child crying? Action is crying and its bitterly word is telling you more about crying. So it is adverb. Now look at this boy. Wow, he is playing wonderfully. Isn't it? His ball is not falling down. So how is the boy playing? He is playing perfectly. So perfectly is your adverb. And look at this girl. Wonderful. She is sleeping and she doesn't know about the whole world. She is so engrossed in sleeping. So how is the girl sleeping? She is sleeping soundly. She is having a sound sleep. She is sleeping soundly. So this soundly word is telling you more about sleeping. So that is your adverb. I think now it's getting clear to you. Children, all the words those tell you how the action is done are known as adverb of manner. For example, soundly. How the girl was sleeping soundly. So soundly is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner is how the action is done. Perfectly. How was the boy playing? Perfectly. How was the child crying bitterly, and how was that boy running? Fast. So all these words are adverb of manner. Adverbs that tell you how the action is done are known as adverb of manner. I have already explained this. Whenever any word tells you that how the action is done, that word is adverb of manner. Now remember one thing. Mostly the adverbs end with ly. For example, sweetly, noisily, brightly, clearly, etc. Fine? But there are few words that do not end with ly, like hard, well, fast, etc. So remember, whenever the word ends with ly, that is adverb of manner. But words like hard, well, fast, though they are adverb of manner, but they do not end with ly. Always remember this thing in your mind. Let's do one exercise. What we have to do in this? We have to underline adverbs of manner here. So they sang sweetly. How did they sing? Sweetly. So sweetly is your adverb of manner. Next sentence. John won the race easily. How did John win the race? Easily. Yes. So easily is your adverb of manner. Next, the soldiers fought bravely. How did the soldiers fight? Bravely. They fought bravely. So bravely is your adverb of manner. Next, she speaks softly. How does she speak? Softly, my dear students. So softly is your adverb of manner. I think now adverbs of manner are understood. Let's move to the exercise 1 of your grammar book. Here a set of pictures have been given to you. You have to look at each picture carefully, and then there are words given in the bubbles. They are adverbs of manner. You have to choose the suitable word. Now it may happen that one word can come at 2 places, but you have to choose the suitable one, the most appropriate one. Let's find out. The bird sang dash. The bird sang, you can write either happily or merrily. You can write any one of the two because both mean the same. Happily or merrily. You can replace any word anywhere. The soldiers fought. How they fought? Bravely. We have already done this sentence. The children played happily or merrily. Yes, they were very happy while playing, so they played happily or they played merrily. Both are correct. Little Anil ran quickly. The hungry man ate greedily. Students, you might have seen in the movies when the person is very hungry, how he eats. Yes, he eats greedily. So here the hungry man ate greedily, and the last one is the plane landed safely. Nobody was hurt. We can say it landed safely. Now it's time to learn how to form adverbs from the adjectives. Yes, you have heard correctly. We can form adverbs from adjectives also. Sometimes we have one adjective and we have to form adverbs from those adjectives. Let's find out how. Remember one thing, whenever you have to form adverbs from adjectives, mostly we add ly. For example, brave, we will only add ly and it will become adverb. Brave, bravely. Got it? Next, clear. We'll just add ly and it will become adverb, that is clearly. Sweet, sweetly. We have added only ly. Dangerous, dangerously. Slow, slowly. But dear students, when the adjectives end with y, then a problem arises. When an adjective ends with y, what we have to do? Let's find out. For example, heavy. Now we have y in the end. What we will do? We will omit this y and we will add ILY. HEAVI. Instead of y, we have written I and then we have added ly to it to make it adverb. Yes, we have to add ILY and we have to omit the y. Easy, EASILY. Easily. We have omitted the last y. happy, happily. Similarly, angry and angrily. But sometimes when the adjective is longer and it ends with full word. For example, beautiful, careful, dutiful, words like that. When adjectives end with full, what we have to do? Let's find out. For example, the word is beautiful and it is ending with FUL. What we will do? We will just add LY here. For example, beautiful, it will become beautifully. So, beautifully is your adverb. Similarly, careful, carefully, dutiful, dutifully, cheerful, cheerfully. Got it? And there are some irregular adverbs. Irregular adverbs means they do not end with ly. They are different. They do not end with ly. When we have adjectives like good, adverb will be well. It will be totally changed. He is a good boy. This is adjective. He behaves well. This is adverb. So it's totally changed. When the adjective is fast, adverb will be fast. You will not add ly to fast. There is no word like fastly in English language. And similarly, don't add ly to hard also to make it an adverb. Hard will remain hard. Now, you know how to form adverbs. Let's move to exercise 4 of your English grammar book. Fill in each blank with correct form of the word given in the brackets. In bracket, you have adjective. You have to form an adverb and then you have to fill in the blanks. The sun is shining dash in the sky. You know bright word is given and how you will make adverb? By adding ly. So we will write brightly here. We have just added ly to bright and it has become brightly. Mother shouted dash at me for breaking a pretty vase. So now the word is angry and you know in place of y we have to add I. So it will become angrily. A-N-G or I in place of y and then add ly. The children waited dash for the new teacher to arrive. To arrive means to reach. The children waited eagerly for the new teacher to arrive. The girls ran quickly to finish the race. My sister rocked her baby gently. Here we have omitted given in the end and we have added ly in her arms to make him sleep. That's all about adverbs. No other exercises are in your syllabus. So, goodbye dear children. Keep revising, keep learning. Stay safe. Bye-bye.